Hi everyone, this is Wayne. Hey, today I've got for you a air purifier and something we've had for about 9 months, and we like it real well. We've got cats and long-haired wife, and we get hair, we get dust. An old 120-year-old house, so it's kind of dusty too. But we try to keep it clean the best we can, and this thing sure does help. And of course, there's benefits to having a HEPA filter in your home as far as different kinds of dust particles, impurities, and so on. Anyway, I want to turn it on here, show it to you real quick. It's got the controls on top, touch controls. I can turn it up on max. And there's a speed, timer, auto. You can read all about that stuff. But as you can see or hear, it's not real loud. It's on max now, and I've got my microphone right next to it. So it's pretty good as far as noise factor. I want to show you how to change the filter now. We just ordered the first filter. I've been vacuuming it off to clean it up, stuff like that, but it's time to get a new one. So let's go to the side here and pop that. Shuts itself off. Lay that aside. And it's got this screen filter in here, pre-filter. I vacuum it off, rinse it off, bang it around a little bit. Takes care of that. This is the new one we just got. And it's got these pull tabs on it here. Makes it easier to get out. Better take the old one out first. As you can see, you can compare the two. That one's ready to go. That's simple. And it picks up a lot of stuff. Here's the charcoal in it, maybe. Put it in, slide it up, push the bottom, make sure it's snug all the way around. Then you can replace your pre-filter. Set those tabs in. The tabs in the middle, pull it out to make it easier to set in there. I said easy, didn't I? Okay. And excuse me, there's tabs right here on the bottom that line it all up. There you go. It's back on, powered up, and we like it. I think you'd like it too. So if you're in the market for something like this, I highly recommend it. It does a great job for us. I'm not going to make any health claims, but it'll get all kinds of stuff out of your air. So anyway, if you want one, you're here on the page, go ahead. Bye now. Thanks.